Ma'am Gina, you are going to continue with your testimony sa pamamagitan ng cross-examination ng counsel for respondent sa ilalim ng pareho pa rin po niyong pinanumpaan nung nagsimula po kayong tumistigo. Naunawaan niyo po yun?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney Lindon, your witness for your cross-examination.
With the permission of this honorable court. Good morning, good afternoon, Ma'am Gina.
Good afternoon po.
You mentioned that you were the special disbursing officer of Davao City. And this is from 2018 to 2022, correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
And the mayor then was Vice President Sara Duterte.
Opo, Your Honor.
When you were SDO of Davao City, your duty pertained to disbursing confidential funds appropriated for Davao City, correct?
Hindi ko maklaro ang
Noon pong
question.
SDO kayo, ang duty nyo po ay ang pag-disburse ng confidential funds para sa Davao City, tama po?
Tama po.
And you also prepared and submitted liquidation documents during that time, correct
Yes.
po?
Tama po.
And when you were SDO of Davao City, there is no audit observation memorandum issued by the Commission on Audit against you, correct?
Wala po.
And when you were SDO of Davao City, there is no audit observation memorandum issued by the Commission on Audit against then Mayor Sara Duterte, correct?
Wala po.
There's likewise no notice of suspension issued by the Commission on Audit against you, correct? When you were
Wala.
and there's no notice of suspension issued against then Mayor Sara Duterte, correct?
Wala po.
Wala rin pong notice of disallowance
Wala po.
laban sa inyo, wala po.
Wala po, Your
Wala rin
Honor.
pong notice of disallowance laban sa kay dating Mayor Sara Duterte, tama po?
Tama po, wala.
And the Commission on Audit did not reopen any audit for confidential funds of Davao City, correct?
Correct po.
Your Honor, sorry, but I have to
As in answered, Your Honor.
interject a continuing objection to this series of questions. May I state my ground?
I think I know what your ground is, counsel, but you may do so for the
Your
record.
Honor, magically, now this witness remembers what happened in Davao. Kanina, when the prosecution was asking her, sabi niya,
Counsel is
hindi niya
testifying,
maalala.
Your Honor.
Wait, incompetent.
She,
Put in
It's-
record.
Counsel is testifying, Your Honor. May we move
Then the
to strike, Your
objection is
Honor?
overruled, counsel. Counsel may proceed.
And when you were SDO of Davao City, it is the joint circular which is already in effect, correct?
Yes po.
And you are aware of the requirements of the joint circular regarding your functions as the special disbursing officer.
Yes, Your Honor.
You mentioned also that you were the special disbursing officer of the Office of the Vice President for its confidential funds from quarter 4 of 2022 until quarter 3 of 2023, correct?
Correct po, Your Honor.
And similar with your tasks in Davao City, you also prepared the documents for liquidation.
Opo, Your Honor.
As SDO, you were not part of any confidential operations of the agency, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have no experience in confidential operations.
Wala po akong experience niyan, Your Honor.
You do not know how confidential operations are done on the ground.
Wala po akong alam niyan, Your Honor.
You have not undergone any formal training regarding confidential operations or activities.
Wala po akong training na ganyan.
You are not aware of the operational security required when it comes to confidential operations, correct?
Yes po.
Wala po kayong military background.
Wala po akong...
May law enforcement background po ba kayo?
Ano po yun?
Do you have a law enforcement background?
Wala po ako niyan, Your Honor.
When you were SDO of the OVP, you have no authority to access security information, correct?
Yes po.
Wala rin po kayong authority to access classified information.
Yes po.
You were not also given any security clearance in the
Wala.
OVP. And because you were already the SDO of Davao City, you remain familiar with the joint circular, correct?
Familiar po a little, Your Honor.
The joint circular does not require you, an SDO, to be personally involved in the agency's confidential operations?
That's misleading, Your Honor. It's clearly in the joint circular that that's the job. That's the job of an SDO to disperse confidential funds.
Your Honor, the prosecution also inquired as to the contents of the joint circular.
Oh, that's why-
I'm examining the witness, Your Honor. If there is such a provision.
The question is misleading.
Witness may answer if she knows. I'll allow it, counsel. Gina, kindly answer the question.
The joint circular does not require you, an SDO, to be personally involved in the agency's confidential operations on the ground.
Wala pong sinabi ang circular, Your Honor.
Wala rin po bang sinabi sa joint circular na kailangan may experience kayo pagdating sa confidential operations?
Wala din, Your Honor, sa akong pagka-understand.
May nakalagay rin po ba sa joint circular na kailangan may kaalaman kayo kung papaano ginagawa ang confidential activities?
Wala ko naka-encounter ana, Your Honor, sa GC.
Nire-require din po ba kayo ng joint circular na mag-undergo ng formal na training para sa confidential activities?
Wala, Your Honor.
Nire-require po ba kayo ng joint circular na dapat ang STO merong military background?
Wala ko kabasahan na, Your Honor.
Wala rin ang law enforcement background? Wala rin ganung requirement?
Wala, Your Honor.
Nire-require ba ng joint circular na ang isang special disbursing officer kailangan may authority to access security information?
Wala, Your Honor.
Nire-require din po ba ng joint circular na ang STO kailangan may security clearance?
Wala, Your Honor.
Nire-require din po ba ng joint circular na pinagbabawal kayo mag-rely sa documents provided by a security officer?
Ano yun, Your Honor?
May pagbabawal po ba sa joint circular na ang nabawal mag-rely sa documents na pinoprovide ng security officer?
Wala, Your Honor.
The requirement of the joint circular is that a special disbursing officer must be a regular or permanent employee of the agency, correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
And you are a regular or permanent employee of the Office of the Vice President. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor. Coterminous po, Your Honor.
And the joint circular provides that it is the SO who must have access to security information. Tama po?
Tama po, Your Honor.
And ito rin po ba ang dahilan kaya ang SO, ang security officer, ang kailangan mag-implement ng confidential operations ng ahensya?
Sa ako ang pagsabot sa GC, Your Honor.
At ang security officer po, ang nag-designate dito ang head of agency, tama?
Yes, ang head of agency, Your Honor.
Yun din po ba ang dahilan kaya kinailangan nyo ang inputs o guidance ng security officer in preparing the physical and financial plan?
Yes, Your Honor, kasi wala po akong alam sa sa mga operations sa ground.
The OVP submitted a physical and financial plan to the Department of Budget and Management, correct? For
Opo.
2022? Are you aware?
Nag-submit po ang OVP ng Physical and Financial Plan na required po sa DBM.
Ito pong physical and financial plan is in support of the OVP's request for confidential funds noong 2022.
Opo.
And the PFP, which the OVP submitted to the Department of Budget and Management, is also based on the good governance program of the OVP, correct?
Wala ko ka-get sa question ni mo, Your Honor.
Yung po bang physical and financial plan na sinubmit ng OVP sa Department of Budget and Management, nakabase rin po ba sa good governance program ng OVP?
Opo, Your Honor.
At matapos pong isubmit ang nasabing physical and financial plan, tama po ba na the Department of Budget and Management recommended the approval of the confidential funds to the Office of the President?
Opo, Your Honor.
And the Office of the President, through the Executive Secretary, approved the Office of the Vice President's request for confidential funds.
Your Honor, at this juncture, I'll be objecting. If I may state the ground, Your Honor, please.
Proceed, counsel.
The ground being, there is a distinction between, on one hand, things that may be covered on cross on a non-adverse witness. Totoo po, sa 2019 rules, nakasulat dyan, inamend ng Korte Suprema na po pwedeng magtanong on cross yung isang partido so long as on any relevant matter. Pero po, Your Honor, in the 2019 rules, hindi po nabago. Yung rule po that is applicable to adverse witness, nakasulat po sa rule sa adverse witness, po pwede lang mag-cross sa mga bagay na napag-usapan during redirect. Ulitin ko po, mas pinalawig ng 2019 rules yung cross-examination for ordinary witnesses. Pero sa adverse witness, which we have now, hindi po pinalawig ng Supreme Court. Dapat po may relevance sa naging pag-uusap ng abogado at testigo during redirect. Now, that's the point. Now, as to who approved the confidential funds, Your Honor, it was not touched upon. It was not touched upon during the direct examination. Ulitin ko, 2019 rules, pinalawig yung cross for ordinary witness pero mas stricto pa rin yung rule applicable when it comes to adverse witness. Objection, Your Honor, that's not allowed. During cross of an adverse witness, basis rules of court.
Your Honor, may I respond?
Of course you may.
Your Honor, my inquiry is based on the fiscal and financial plan for 2022, which was the subject matter of the inquiry in the examination in chief, Your Honor. So the inquiry is necessitated to inform this honorable court of the entire picture.
The court will, for the meantime, overrule the objection. Also because this has been established, but I would like to remind counsel, this has been established already by the previous witnesses, counsel, that the confidential funds was by virtue of Pasaro, and it is indeed in the document that you are referring to. Overall, witness may answer.
May I repeat my question, Your Honor? The Office of the President, through the Executive Secretary, approved the Office of the Vice President request for confidential funds. Correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
And this approval is why the OVP was allocated confidential funds for 2022. Ito po yung dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng confidential funds ang OVP noong taong 2022.
Opo, Your Honor.
So you also prepared the fiscal and financial plan for 2023. This fiscal and financial plan was based on the General Appropriations Act, correct?
Yes po, GAA po.
And the General Appropriations Act for 2023 allocates confidential funds for the Office of the Vice President.
Opo.
The General Appropriations Act contains a line item allocation for OVP's socio-economic program delivery, correct?
Yes po.
The General Appropriations Act for 2023 was approved by the Senate and the House of Representatives, correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
Which is why, for the fiscal and financial plan for 2023, you indicated socio-economic program delivery.
Yes po.
And in this fiscal and financial plan, the Vice President is a signatory, correct?
Isa po siya sa nagpirma, Your Honor.
You mentioned that you prepared the documents for liquidation. You also executed certifications, correct?
Opo, Your Honor.
The form of the certification is provided by the joint circular, correct?
Yes po.
In fact, the form of said certification is contained in Annex B of the joint circular.
Ano po yun, Your Honor?
May the witness be confronted with Defense Exhibits D-I-136, Annex B,
Assisting counsels may approach.
which is the template of the certification, Your Honor, attached in the joint circular.
Ito.
Tama po, ma'am, no, na ang form ng certification ay nakalagay sa Annex B ng Joint Circular.
Opo, Your Honor.
And the Joint Circular states or provides the contents that must appear in the certification. Tama po?
This one?
Opo, nakalagay po dyan kung anong mga aligasyon na, na dapat naka-indicate sa certification. Tama po?
Tama po.
The Joint Circular does not give you any authority to alter the form it has given for the certification. Tama
Yes.
po?
Tama po.
And when you were preparing the liquidation documents, nabanggit nyo rin po kanina na you had the opportunity to examine the documents which is submitted to the COA, correct?
Ano po yun?
Nung pong nagpe-prepare kayo ng liquidation, nabanggit nyo rin po kanina na nakita nyo po yung mga documents na kailangan, tama po? Sa liquidation?
Opo.
And nakita mo rin po doon yung liquidation report, tama po? Yung mga liquidation reports kada quarter.
Opo.
And you were able to see that the Vice President certified that the cash advance for confidential funds was duly accomplished. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Nung habang nagle-liquidate din po kayo para sa confidential funds kada quarter, you remain in coordination with the security officer.
Opo.
And ito pong coordination na to
Your
pertain...
Honor, can I object? That's not even-
Yes, what is the basis
not
of the
even-
objection, Counsel?
That's not even a question. There was no question. The council is just stating a statement and waiting for the witness to confirm. The witness, the
Your Honor,
council is testifying. There's no question.
What's the basis of the...
There's no question.
There
Ask
was
a
a question, Your Honor.
There's no question on record. You're just
Actually-
stating a statement and waiting for this witness to say, yes, tama po.
That was a question.
Actually, it assumes that the question was in seriatim, I presume.
Yes, Your Honor.
All based on
In
the
declarative form, Your
all based on
Honor.
the documents submitted.
A question in
And
declarative
when asked
form?
if he is correct in saying that, it is in the form of a question, Counsel. But if he, the court will allow it and will gladly welcome a continuing objection along these lines of questioning, Counsel,
Yes, Your
to
Honor.
be placed on record. Counsel may proceed.